In the heart of Scotland lies a lone mountain. Cast out by the southern uplands, it stands alone, guardian of the Clyde Valley below. Tinto, the Hill of Fire. The walk starts at Tinto Hill Car Park and follows a wide, muddy path towards the mountain. The ascent of Tothering Hill is over quickly, and a rocky path continues on, skirting around the steep slopes of Maurice's Cleuch before the final pull up to the summit cairn at 711 metres.
Morning folks, so today I'm at Tinto Hill. I've been stuck in the house for 3 weeks because of the storm after storm after storm here in the UK. It's been pretty miserable, to be honest. So today I'm quite excited actually to be going up Tinto Hill, and this one's just in South Lanarkshire. Now it's about 700 metres high, Tinto. It's not the biggest of hills, but it's one of my favourites, and it's got a bit of a special place in my heart because it was one that I used to go up with my mum and dad quite a lot. So yeah, it's got fond memories of this hill. The good thing about the hill is it's situated in the middle of nowhere, so all around it's flat. So once you get to the top on a clear day, you've got absolutely perfect views all around, absolutely stunning. So yeah, quite looking forward to this one and looking forward to finally getting up something substantial. Let's get going.
From the large car park, you can already see the massive Bronze Age summit cairn that will be your target for the day. The weather forecast was for sunshine and a small breeze, but the crows playing in the trees nearby beg to differ. Strong gusts and ominous looking clouds were to be the dish of the day. Not far from the car park on your left are a series of circular, grass-covered rings, the ruins of ancient Falburn Hill Fort. I came across the first signs of snow as I approached the top of the first hill on the route. Cresting the summit of Tothering Hill, the dramatic views up toward Tinto summit are revealed. The views from this vantage point are superb. After seeing one of the many clouds dumping its load on nearby Lanark, I decided it was time to get a move on and sauntered on into the snow. The red felsite rocks that are thought to be the origin of Tinto's nickname, the Hill of Fire, were visible through the snow. A short time later, I had reached the steep sides of Maurice's Cleuch. The weather was deteriorating and the wind was picking up strength. Stopping to get some gloves on, I could see that deeper snow lay ahead of me. the fence posts, almost buried in deep snowdrifts. This section of the path is normally loose and rocky, making it tougher than it first appears. But today I had soft snow to contend with instead. It felt like the final stretch up to the summit was never ending. Some dark clouds were starting to envelop the summit. Behind, the colourful lowlands lay in stark contrast to the colourless whiteness surrounding me. I plodded onward, the fence post serving as a reminder just how deep the snow underfoot was. The clouds finally swallowed me as I approached the summit, the monstrous cairn emerging from the mists. Ordnance survey maps show two heights for Tinto summit, 707 metres being the natural height of the hill as marked by the trig point, and 711 metres as the height of the man-made cairn. I spent some time hiding behind the cairn, shielding myself from the strongest of the winds. I relaxed and enjoyed the views as the clouds moved quickly just above me.
Well folks, it's been another fantastic hill today. Tinto Hill never fails to disappoint. I'd say this is a good hill for people that want to start hill walking as well. As I say, I came up here when I was a kid. My parents used to bring me up here in the summer, and you know, it gives you a taste of the bigger hills because you get to the top and it's just flat all around, so you really do feel like you're on top of the world up here. And as I say, the views on a clear day are absolutely fantastic. You can see for miles around. It's just one of these hills. Will always have a place in my heart, Tinto Hill. As you can see, the sun's starting to come out a little bit now. If I stand up, you can feel the full force of the wind. Another thing you should know about Tinto Hill is it's normally windy. There's a little bit of snow and sleet coming now, just hit me in the eyes when I turn around there. I didn't bring my goggles today though, or any crampons or anything. To be fair, I was going to turn back if it became frozen snow, but the snow up here is quite soft today. So yeah, it's perfect walking conditions, but yeah, it does take the energy out of you that walking on the soft snow, so it just gives way underfoot with every step. So yeah, absolutely fantastic hill. Well, I think that's me for today. Just going to head on back to the car now. It's always easier going back down the snow, you can just kind of slide your way down. So yeah, Tinto Hill, definitely recommend it. If you want to get into hill walking, Tinto Hill's your one to start with. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.